everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for visiting again my channel. Here's another tutorial video for all of you who loves to modify and accessorize their electric scooter. In this video, you will see how to wire the LED switch kit for your electric scooter extra lights. This is the LED switch kit. It has built-in LED. It lights up every time you turn on the load connected to it. In this video, I wired the LED switch kit with the U5 LED headlight of my electric scooter. First thing I did, I removed the wire sleeve, unscrewed the clamp lock, and also I removed the clamp of the kiddie bar to get better access while performing the procedure. Since the wire of the LED switch kit is short, I provided extra cable that has 3 core wires, perfect for extending the length of the LED switch kit wire. The main idea is to run the wire of the LED switch kit inside the fork steerer all the way down and sticks the wire out through the hole in order to get clean and safe wire installation. I used steel rod to complete the procedure. I connected each end of the wire and the steel rod using the electric tape. You will find a little bit snug inside the fork steerer while sliding due to the other wires. Be very careful when running the LED switch wire through the fork steerer to avoid damaging the wires. After I successfully slid the wire through the fork steerer, I mounted the LED switch kit beside the key ignition on the handlebar extender. Put electric tape on the handlebar extender where you are going to mount the LED switch kit for better grip. Then, next was the wire connections. I started stripping the installations of the wires. These wires are from the U5 LED headlights. This one goes to the LED switch kit. And this wire towards the battery. Now here's the diagram on how to wire LED switch kit. Please be very careful to avoid short circuit. The 3 black wires should be connected together. 1 black wire from the U5 LED headlight, 1 black wire from the LED switch kit, and another black wire going to the battery. Next, connect the red wire of the U5 LED headlight to the green wire of the LED switch kit. Lastly, the red wire of the LED switch kit should be connected to the red wire going to the battery. I grabbed the soldering iron and the solder paste and started the wire connections. Link the wires properly. I use heat shrink to cover the soldered wire connections. Then, I link the LED switch kit wire and the wire extension together. Wire management was next. Make it clean and organized. And that's it. Wire connection is done. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have learned something. And please don't forget to support my channel by liking, commenting, and sharing all my videos. At syempre, maraming salamat. Hindi kayong naligaw sa channel ko. Stay safe and good vibes always.